I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by picking the clip with visible, steady movement. This is why tracking works best on clear subjects. Tap Layer and add the object you want attached, a sticker, text, or image, then enable Motion Tracker from the Layer menu. Once done, position the tracking box over the subject and choose your tracking mode. Single point for one subject, multi-point for complex motion. Make sure to trim the clip to the active range so the tracker focuses on the relevant frames. You run the tracker by pressing Track Forward. Kinemaster analyzes frame by frame to map movement. Watch progress closely. If the box drifts, pause and resize or recenter the target so the algorithm has accurate reference points. Once a rough track exists, use manual corrections or add keyframes at problem spots to lock position through occlusions or rapid motion. This step improves stability because automated tracking can fail on blur or similar backgrounds, so you finalize by previewing the whole clip at full playback speed, then fine-tune the attached layer's scale, rotation, and opacity for a seamless blend. Export a short test to verify render accuracy. Sometimes playback looks fine in preview but shifts after export. If tracking fails or jitters, retract a shorter segment, improve subject contrast, or add intermediate keyframes. Make sure lighting and distinct edges are present next time. Those factors directly affect how reliably the tracker follows motion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.